Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a phone to an iPad. First, let's talk about using your phone as a personal hotspot. This is a fantastic way to give your iPad internet access anywhere. Simply go into your phone's settings, enable the personal hotspot feature, and make sure your cellular data is turned on. Then, on your iPad, open the Wi-Fi settings, find your phone's network name, and enter the password shown on your phone. It's a quick and easy process, usually taking less than 1 minute to set up. Next, for seamless data sharing, cloud services are your best friend. Platforms such as iCloud, Google Drive, or Dropbox allow you to keep your files updated across both devices. Just ensure you are signed in with the exact same account on both your phone and your iPad. Enable automatic uploads for your photos, documents, and contacts, and you will find that your data is always accessible, whether you are using your phone or your iPad. This method offers incredible flexibility and convenience. For quick and direct file sharing, AirDrop is an excellent tool. To use it, make sure both your phone and iPad have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. When you want to send something, like a photo or a document, simply open the share sheet on your phone. Tap the AirDrop icon, and your iPad should appear as an option. Select it, and then accept the transfer on your iPad. This method is incredibly fast for sending individual files, often completing transfers in just a few seconds. Finally, here are some helpful tips for maintaining a smooth connection and troubleshooting any issues. Always keep both your phone and iPad updated to their latest operating system versions. This ensures compatibility and performance. If you experience any glitches, a simple restart of both devices can often fix about 80% of minor problems. Also, double-check your network settings if connections are unstable. And remember, sufficient battery life on both devices is crucial for reliable and continuous connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.